Wow, hi guys, it's been such a long time since I've vlogged. I am shy, I'm nervous. I haven't turned this camera on or even recorded or said anything in over 7 months. So yeah, as you can tell by the title, we are going to Johannesburg, South Africa for Tessa's birthday trip. I am here at the United Airlines terminal and we're waiting for boarding. Boarding starts in an hour and 21 minutes. Tess is coming through security now, and I'm really, really excited to see where this goes. So stay tuned. Hey, look, my friend. look over now. Look over now. Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. We've made it to the Uber spot. It wasn't very hard to find. We just needed a little bit of help with directions. My Uber is going to be here in about 5 minutes, and the drive is. You said the drive was 30 minutes? Tess left him watch on the plane, so he has to fill out he has to send an email to try to get it back. So guys, hopefully, pray.
Please.
Yes, same get
Make sure
it back.
that you check your seat bag pockets, surrounding area. Make sure you have all your belongings you brought on board.
Don't leave none from the plane. Check your seat like pockets, all the stuff, because it's very hard to get back your things once you've left them. And yeah. Let me see where the Uber reached now. Oh, guys, me dead forbid. Listen, I don't know how people do this and don't shower for a whole week.
Yeah.
You know, like crazy. 4 minutes, pick up in 4 minutes. I'm so excited. We're gonna get to the Airbnb, get ready, and go out, go get some dinner or something like that. Because it is Tessa's birthday. So I know you're gonna see this after the fact, but drop a comment down below wishing Tessa a happy birthday. Thank you guys. Alrighty guys, we've made it to our Airbnb. We've been told multiple times that wait a minute, I'm doing my haul. My room tour. Apartment tour. We've been told many times that we're in the rich neighborhoods. Tessa's so excited. So this is the kitchen. Wait, I'm going to come show them. It's very nice. We have 2 bedrooms. We need to use the bathroom. I go black, that's all. We have 2 bedrooms. This is the smaller of the 2. Very nice. Clean. It smells very nice. Oh, this is a shared bathroom. Okay. So this bathroom leads out into the main hallway. And then this is going to be Tess's room. He's the birthday boy, so I think it's only right he gets the room with the balcony. So as you guys can see, oh, this is very nice. A nice little balcony, wraparound balcony. Oh wow, this is so nice. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. We just got here, so we really want to go shower and get some food. See you soon. Birthday! No, I'm not shaking. I shouldn't have did that. Oh God, I'm gonna move them some here. Come Tess, come into the shot. Woo! Wait, get one again. Oh my God.
So like the teacher read my sister man, and my sister said, every time Sunday you give money and then I call on the name.
When you give money?
For the school, primary school back home, I send it.
Every time for your birthday?
No, but just not the graduation.
Oh.
So they always give them money. But they always give back, but they never. 0.4. Wow.
Love it.
Alive.
And it's 24 hours?
No, 30 minutes walk there.
Okay. But it's still back that way. The way where I come from.
Okay. What is lonely?
Remember to do shake. Sour.
Some of the other stuff they taste, we call it flowers.
Elderflower. Elderflower is what they put in the. There's a drink. It's like I have memory problem. Hugo Spritz. Hugo Spritz popular. Guys, we're heading to KFC. We're gonna compare KFC in Joburg versus KFC in Kingston. Well, in Jamaica. The line long, so that's already a good start. Alright, so that's what I get. They have a Kit Kat crusher. We are here. We got the Zinger. They have this Zinger crisp and Zinger wings combo that comes with a large fries. You get 8 pieces of crisp wings and then you get a large fries as well. I also ordered an extra 2 pieces of chicken and fries in case the food does taste good and I'm hungry, and if it don't taste good, I'm still gonna eat it. I'm hungry. Guys, this is so spicy. And it wasn't even that spicy, it was just no option. The ketchup will go sweeten it though.
I'm not tasting food that's spicy.
Alright, taste.
Spicy, I'm not tasting the food, it's just be a spice. Can I have ketchup? More ketchup? You think with chocolate?
It's hot. More ketchup? Why? It's not like saying a special sauce or something. Guys, it's very hot. And I think it's like out of the ordinary hot, like, well, yeah, it's hotter than Jamaica for sure. But
the spice make you not taste. You want to taste the flavor of the food. No, look at the picture. I'll eat it.
yeah, come on. I love it. These are the closest to Jamaica. Really? Even better than the European ones. Because we're talking about how Rome and Barcelona and London have really good like KFC compared to like, you know, other places, not Jamaica, that we've been to. But this tastes pretty good. It's just very hot. Good morning from South Africa, from Joburg. I'm gonna just do a quick little makeup with you. It's day 2. I've already gone to the gym, ate breakfast, shower. I'm already dressed, face washed. I'm just gonna put on some more sunscreen. And we're gonna go to Sandton City and see what they have. Maybe do a little bit of shopping here and there. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. I'm trying to get back into the flow of vlogging. So hopefully this will give me a hard kick, a hard drive straight back into the vlog life. Yeah, so like you know, we're here for Tessa's birthday. We're actually here early. Everybody else doesn't get here until tomorrow evening. So that's why you're not seeing any of the exciting things on day 1 and day 2. Day 3, 4, 5, and 6, we're gonna have a lot more adventurous things to do. And yeah, I don't know what to talk about, guys. I don't know what to talk about. I'm really excited to be on the continent of Africa. Like, that is such a, for someone that's come from the Caribbean, that live in the States, those words coming out of my mouth is just not something that I thought, you know, was possible for me. Like, I knew, not that it was impossible, I'm not gonna say that. I knew I was gonna travel the world. Like, I knew I was gonna go places. But to actually be here in the present, it just doesn't feel real. You get what I'm saying? I guess that's how some people feel when them come to the United States, like, or the UK or Canada. I guess that's how people feel when they come from other countries to there, you know? That it just doesn't feel real. Yeah. We're doing a very simple light makeup today. Very simple. Oh, that I keep waking up with new cuts. A scratch. Like this scratch right here, I don't know if you can see it. I woke up on the plane. When I get to the Airbnb and wash my face after the flight, realized I have scratch on my face. Like, where that come from? Honestly, I think it was like this bracelet that caused it. Jesus, I know I have one above my lip, and I kid you not, that was not there this morning. So like, what happened between now and this morning? So weird. Me used to all wake up with scratch from my chest, from my arms. And be like, God damn, don't you scratch me? That's not even funny. That's not even funny. Let me not even say that. As I play music, I'm gonna try to record. Oh my God. Okay, pause it.
So many clothes are just cluttering up my space. Oh, the shoes, like the blue ones. I haven't even worn them.
Put a little bit of pressed powder. A little bit of pressed powder. It's nice and cool in Africa. It's in South Africa. It's winter time, so it's actually a bit chilly. I feel like a country morning. Lip gloss, and then that's it. We're ready for a walk around. Come on. We're gonna do a quick OOTD. So let me show you Tess' outfit. All right, Tess, tell the people then where everything is from.
Kind of chilly out today, so I'm just gonna put on like a Reebok. I don't know much brand.
No, but it's nice.
With different brand, but I know Reebok.
Reebok, yeah, talk about Reebok and Nike.
Yeah, so sorry Reebok or Nike. Maybe you can do a collaboration.
Collaboration, I get you so.
Yeah, and then, you know, you're going outside, you always I'm another bad.
Why my friend them always sound like they're shy when the vlog camera come out?
Yeah, so you know your boys outside.
Yes. Adidas jacket and this white shirt. This is from Shein Basics. This skirt from Zara. My slippers from Tory Burch, and then Tory Burch purse. You know. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're in the mall, and it's huge. Oh, they have a Zara right there, so we're gonna find some stuff and go shopping. Okay, maybe not shopping. Oh, it's very nice. Alright guys, really quickly, we're at this restaurant called Zv, Sandton, and it's cute. Nice like a brunch spot. Look at the menu. It's like screen. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm a little bit hungry. Or we can just get small plates, but I don't want nothing too filling. And they have happy hour from 2 to 7. So, yeah, he opened it for us. We might wait for the food come out.
So they take all different angle they drink.
Huh?
All different angle they drink.
Who, him? Yeah. He's a flight attendant?
Yeah.
Who, us?
Yeah.
Never seen him before. Guys, everything that you saw came up to 1,000. How much again, Tess?
I'm gonna get receipt.
I have it right here. You know, in your calculator, it shows you all the calculations that you do. So it came up to 1,126. Zar? Basically, it came up to $90 US, and we split it 2 ways. It's like $40, $45 after tip. Guys, bear with me. Thank you. It's been a long time. $45 after we split it. It's been a long time since I vlogged. So if this vlog all over the place, just bear with me. Give me about 2 more vlogs, and then we're gonna get back into the motion of things. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for when everybody else come. Because when everybody else come, that means the trip start for real. This is the pre-trip. This is not the real trip. So if you want to skip to the pre-trip, go in the comment section and you're going to say post. You're going to see when the trip really starts. This is the pre-trip section. And make sure you check out my TikTok. Check out Tess, Asset Allen. I will put his information down in the description box as well. So you can check him out on TikTok and Instagram. Yeah. I'll see you guys tonight because we're on the road tonight. Alright guys, we're going to get some wine, some South African wine. Unfortunately, we're not in Cape Town. We won't be able to go to any vineyards. I know a lot of people recommend that we do that. But our server today told us that the vineyards are only in Cape Town or in the Cape Town area. So we're in Joburg. We're not going to get to do any vineyards. But maybe next time when we come back, because we're going to have to come back next time and test out. Testing deep thoughts. Yeah. Maybe you can find the creation one because it was nice, it was simple.
I saw that brownie too. I was wondering if it's good.
Yeah. Alright. Creation?
Oh, it's right here.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're just in the restaurant and... Sorry. Was that it? Is that the one he showed us?
Yeah.
That's cheap. $199? And then charge you 600 something feet?
Yeah, because you're not a restaurant. Very expensive.
You're right.
Do you have any cold one? No.
Oh, we can put in the fridge, in the freezer. So much that.
So just put 200.
Oh my God, $12?
Just put, yeah.
Whoa, guys.
Can we have one?
$43. They charge us $43 for a $12
The
bottle.
rest of it
Ooh.
very expensive.
You want just one?
Huh?
Oh, that. You sure it wasn't this one?
No, it's this one. Look at your picture. Look on other.
Okay.
Other one
Show
there.
me photos. I got it right here when he was pouring it. You have the video in my ports? I see you popular. Oh my God. Tess is so famous.
That's it?
Yeah, it's. Wow.
No, but this is wrong because
That's
this is
Sauvignon Blanc.
That's not
Oh,
the
I would have been
Chardonnay.
pissed. I would have been so pissed.
This is the Do you have the Chardonnay? This is the Sauvignon Blanc.
So it would have been. But there's another one. I'll be right back. Soundton. Look at the little wine glasses. So when I drunk me.
You like Pinot Grigio too?
I love Pinot Grigio. That's my favorite wine.
Pinot Grigio. This like a kiwi. Maybe these have like a flavor.
You want to try it?
So you have kiwi and guava.
You want to do both? It's kiwi and guava. It's 89. They say we look alike.
But are you enjoying, you see?
Oh,
Yeah,
love
love
it.
it.
Do you have any recommendations on where to go?
Yeah.
We can
We're-
agree. We do
What's your name?
Asanda.
Asanda. Yes, Asanda.
Put the numbers.
I got a bag. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Is your name Sianda? I'm gonna have to learn. Guys, I smell nice and we look alike.
We're twins. Huh?
We're twins. Wait, we're twins, ne?
Yeah.
Is that right? What does that even mean? What is ne?
Think it does a job?
It's like
Is it? Sturdy.
Let me carry.
Yeah. Okay.
it's like what can I say? Like you make
Like you know?
surety, yeah. Like you know?
You know?
Yeah,
Ne.
Just like we
Okay.
would say in it.
In it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ne. Thank
Thank you,
you.
man. Very much. Have a good
Oh,
night.
good night. Oh, we learned a lot today. We met some people. Spoil we.
Oh, these are all of the people that were not in Nigerian movie. They're home here.
Good morning, guys. We are leaving our first Airbnb. We're all packed up, ready to go. The place is clean, nothing broken. Just have to make sure, because sometimes you want to have your own back covered, but you never know. We're heading to the second Airbnb. Fortunately for us, the owners are allowing us to drop our bags early, even though the Airbnb could have had an earlier check-in. Our check-in is at 5. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to feel like 67 degrees. If you didn't know, it's currently winter in the southern hemisphere, so that includes South Africa. Are you ready to? Last night was a movie. Oh, okay, good. All right, guys, I'll catch you in a second. just checked in. We're gonna go to this hotel at the Four Seasons. Not the hotel, the Four Seasons. We're gonna go to this restaurant at the Four Seasons. It's called The Flames. So you can always check that out in the Google Maps link, which will be down in the description box. Don't want to get copyrighted, so see you in a second.
It's bearable.
Yeah, we show them. Honestly, this is the life for me to live.
We deserve it. We work hard.
And offer with towels. Oh,
Yeah.
hold on. Let me make sure the microphone blocked. Guys, they've offered us towels. They were blankets actually.
Nice.
And the DJ,
Go ahead.
the DJ wanted himself, the vibe, the view, the sparkling water tastes delicious.
Yeah.
Like, we're at the Four Seasons, darling.
Four Seasons.
Come like young, famous and African.
Yeah. Young people are black. Young famous black in it, right?
No, rich,
No, look at
young,
it, look at
rich.
it.
Mega lift up.
Yeah.
That's what we are, baby.
Customer service, top tier. I love
Yeah.
it. I love it.
This is a nice place. Like, we've been treated so well here. As you guys saw, we went to the club last night, and they took care of us. They were so
I feel like a celebrity.
yeah.
I feel like celebrity, you know. But that's a kid.
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh my god, I apologize.
All right, guys, I'll catch you back in a second when we get our wines, because I ordered a non-alcoholic sparkling white wine, and Tess ordered the rosé. Oh yeah, TOK was so popular in the 2000s.
Back in my time, TOK was doing good.
Guys, he said he grew up listening to dance
But the
songs.
Spice as well too much, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how come they don't play this type of music anymore? Is it because of the young audience?
People who go to Zimbabwe,
Yeah.
each and every club in Zimbabwe, they play dancehall music.
So in Zimbabwe, it's more popular to hear dancehall music.
is popular in Zimbabwe.
Ah,
Zimbabwe and Kenya.
and Kenya.
Yeah, in Kenya.
I would love to go to Kenya.
Kenya, there's a lot of people that listen to dancehall music.
Ah. Yeah. But here is more. I'm a piano R&B.
I'm a piano, yeah.
Okay. Because I did realize they didn't even play that much Afro beats either.
Yeah, they don't really.
Yeah, like Arya Star. I think they played one Burna Boy song, and that was it. They played much more R&B.
Club that think of that tag and say that it's safe for you to go. Because you don't know what happened in Africa, you know, so I don't want you to go to a club that you don't want to be, you know, people.
We have sinners for each other, replace the one that is in the mighty and of his almighty. Holy Manuel,
DJ talk a lot.
Rastafari, yes, but we still forward. To the board of sinners and darkness of the big band of brace of judgment. Here, the end of the fabulous commander be aka the voice of the voiceless. You know, the man of the
Guys, 2 new buddies have entered the villa. So let me show you. They're coming. Welcome to the villa.
Hello. We made it.
Hi. Welcome to the villa. The only thing with here is that they played mainly amapiano, which is nice. The beat was nice. It's nice. However, is mainly amapiano, a bit of hip hop, R&B, and that was one Afrobeat song, and that was it. I kid you not. They played like one Burna Boy song. They played one Burna Boy song.
What club y'all going to tonight?
Tonight we're going to Okio, right? Yeah. And then the place is closed at 2 o'clock. Never mind. We'll go to Okio. No, the one we're going to start at 11.
Okay.
So you know they probably close at 5, 6. Yeah. Here you go. Test.
Do we got an iron? I know we got an iron in here.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my God, leave.
Test. Yeah. So it was kind of sad because we were asking our driver like, is there anywhere that you recommend that play dancehall? And the only place that he knows of, he said he wouldn't recommend we go.
It's dangerous.
Yeah, he said he wouldn't recommend we go, but he gave us a recommendation for some other clubs. But yeah, it's mainly amapiano, which I said is nice. The beat was nice.
But I came for the Afro
But
beats. Like,
they played one Afrobeat song, and they played both. Cheers! They played both 5 Cardi B songs. Cheers!
Outside. We made it.
We made it. That shit. Oi! The blanket. Oh my God, the place is just.
I took your blanket.
The place is just so cold.
You know what I realized? The reason why most of the flights is not getting paid low because it's cold.
Yeah.
When it's summertime, it's hard to get out of here.
Oh.
Because it's hot.
Because it's hot. Everybody's going
All I
back.
know, they party out here and they buy bottles.
Really?
Oh my
Let me pull up
God.
the video. You'll be shocked.
I can't wait for tonight.
Oh my God.
They party.
They party hard.
And then the girl in my walk and then just
And there's a dancing on my
I
wall.
love dance out here.
They look good. Mind you, this set of bottles was like the 3rd one to come to this table alone. This set of bottles.
Really?
Yes. And then, let me turn up the music. Like the girl that would just walk in at them heels and I walk and I dance in at them heels. Like, they're baddies. I mean, I wonder what my outfit, what am I gonna wear?
Well, me, I look at cool coming out shots, me, I put camera.
And the man them come out and they look very good, fashionable.
They look loafers.
Love our loafers.
You said we going to which club today?
We're gonna go to Okio.
Tokyo.
Yeah, look it up on Instagram. And then also, let me pull up the room place, but I don't know if you want to touch that place first and then go Okio.
All right.
Okay.
See y'all.
Jump on the head top.
You get it.
Oh shit, that is the
Speakers? No.
Oof, guys, this is so strong.
Gotta get ready for tonight.
Woo!
Oh.
Ooh.
Ciao.
Yep, time to go take a nap. Alright guys, we are heading out. I'll be vlogging my phone. Every time you see a club interaction, just know I'm on my phone. Tess, hurry up and open the front door. The gate. Y'all getting raw and true. Like I said, it's been a while since I vlogged. This is reminding me of when I was in Jamaica, like in 2000 and, when was it? Like I had a vlogs from Portland and it was just so raw, unfiltered. This is how the South Africa vlogs be. I didn't see him play. Good morning, guys. Day 4 in the villa, and 3 baddies have entered the villa. No, I'm kidding, but we're gonna go to a restaurant now to eat. We're very hungry. I tried to film some drone shots. It's been a minute. Again, please bear with me. It's been a while. I filmed some drone shots. I'm gonna insert it here while I'm talking. Just know that I'm trying to get my groove back. Stella is trying to get her groove back. So if you're proud of me, please like the video, drop a comment down below, and I will see you because the Uber should be pulling up right now. Dun 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 dun.
Everybody else, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Head to your drop-off at Adana Bistro.
Jamaican people have Rasta.
Rasta and dreads are 2 different things.
Yeah.
What you mean?
To drink. Some alcoholics, brother. I need some water. Yeah.
Drink water on your business.
Get like a hydration.
Hydrate.
So it's all you have water.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys.
Water.
Cheers. Cheers for girls.
Cheers.
That is weekend.
Cheers for more.
South African version. Right. I don't eat that spicy shit, bro.
Watch food.
Guys, let's try the salmon.
Okay, now I can drink. Now I can do shot of flat.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm walking.
Really?
No, too early.
By the time you do shot o'clock, you be down again. Down bad.
Okay.
Clock it.
This is so good.
I'm gonna be down tomorrow. I'm gonna have all the energy.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to Nelson. I'm gonna see Uncle Nelson tomorrow.
Me too. Just wait up, yeah. What time is the flight?
Oh, we have a holiday tomorrow.
Wait, you leaving tomorrow for real?
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow.
For real?
That's crazy.
I wish I could stay longer, yo.
Okie dokie, guys. Dinner is done. Uber is with. Dinner was amazing.
South Africa day 2 for me.
Yes.
Day 3.
Day 3 for me.
And we're having a blast.
Yup. Make sure you check out Juan on TikTok. His information will be down in the description.
But you can call me JT, not the little one, the big one.
It's so funny. Suzuki. Right this in front of her. You're going to do it again when they come back.
We're on the way back to that B&B to take more shots, you guys. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Tell them to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Please do, because if y'all don't, y'all some lame ass hoes for real. Like, this the page to be at. For real. For real, this where you want to be.
It's a play phone, not a play phone.
Okay.
If you don't got your phones out,
You heard it here first, guys.
Tight shit.
We're not going to do it.
Happy birthday!
Hey yo, let's talk. Oh, baby. Double being 2 and 2, you have 4. But you're making
guys, we're ending off the night at KFC. We got some zinger wings and fries. Good morning, guys. We've done a lot of partying. We've done a lot. We're gonna head to Mandela House now, and we're also gonna head to the Apartheid Museum. So let's go. Guys, we've arrived to Mandela House.
Around the house, you are only allowed to take pictures but no videos.
Oh, okay.
Before we get
Guys, them a sing Bob Marley now. I will.
I'll say a song for you.
Rise up this morning, singing sweet songs of memories pure and true. Yeah, I know some like fans. They can go out with them. Oh, he's being bombarded. That's our car?
Anyways, guys, so we're gonna head to Mandela Square back over by Sandton to get some food to eat. It was really nice seeing all that, but we learned a little bit about how the police used to drive by and shoot up the house with Winnie Mandela and her kids when Nelson Mandela was in prison because they thought that she was being more of an influence, rallying up the people of Soweto. So that was very interesting. That's so wicked. That's so cruel. Yeah, shoot up the house with the pitney them. I've watched several movies and documentaries. I can list them down in the description box because I do remember seeing those scenes in those movies. But yeah, our Uber is on its way. We're gonna go get some food to eat.
Goodbye.
Book an Airbnb here.
Oh, that's so cool. What, a sticker?
Yes. Let me show you how we do it, my sister.
How much?
Come on,
How
now.
much?
I don't want a sticker on my body.
20 rand. Come on.
No, thank you. That's really
My
cool.
sister, come on.
Uh-huh.
This one, I make it from the sole of the shoe.
That's really innovative.
Empower us, guys. You know, black economic. I will eat love. Don't worry.
Alright.
Love is good.
Go long. Class, my dear. Why not drive out?
Come on. Never you feel like dining? Yes.
Oh, God.
Should I go outside? Should I go outside?
But think what you said, but think like on the side should be up.
I know, Mr. This street there.
Nelson Mandela Square. We're gonna get some food. Oh, look one big old Nelson Mandela Tata. Yeah. We're gonna get some dinner now. So I think we're gonna check out this place called La Parada Bar de Tapas. If I had a burger, I had a Wagyu beef burger day before yesterday. I don't want to have that now. I had that yesterday. We're at this restaurant that I showed you in the beginning. I'm trying to put off a South African accent.
Oh.
Almost. By the way, guys, this is Sam.
You get invited by a singer.
No, we don't do that. Not in this video. No. Drake is booted out.
Oh my God, this boy,
You're obsessed with Drake.
Alright, sister. I think what I'm going to do.
Okay, guys, so we leave tomorrow night. There's actually been an update. Our flight, something happened. The crew didn't get enough rest. I'm just telling you what the apps told me. The crew hasn't gotten enough rest as it pertains to federal requirements. So we're gonna have to make a stop in San Juan. So instead of going from Johannesburg straight to Newark, we're gonna divert to San Juan tomorrow. It's a planned diversion. I don't know what else to say. I've never heard of that happening. I don't even know, I don't know if it's still gonna happen. I don't know what them diverting to San Juan is gonna do, if they're gonna add additional crew, if they're gonna recrew. But just know tomorrow we're diverting to San Juan before we then go on to Newark. Yeah, very interesting. I'm just trying to pack up my bag now. Because we have to check out of the Airbnb tomorrow, and I'm not in the business of leaving anything behind in an Airbnb. So I'm making sure all my stuff is here and accounted for. I will show you guys when I'm done because I don't want to take up any more time. Okay, I'm all done packing. What you're seeing is my carry-on and my check bag and my half wig. But I also have all of these packed up as well. I'm going to charge some of my electronics. My purse is all packed up. And then I have my airport sneakers in the corner. And I also have my toiletry bag all packed up. So when I tell you I am ready to go, I am ready to go. And then this is the bed that I've been in. I don't know, I try my best to keep the room as clean as I can because I want to come home, come back after a long day or a long night with a clean room. Music I play, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. Good morning, guys. This is our final day in Joburg, South Africa. Guys, I can't come back in the winter. The winter is not for me. It looked nice and shiny and bright now, but it's cold. It's cold, baby. And I found out they don't have heating, central heating. They have fireplaces, heated blankets, but no central heating. So that was a big wake-up call. It was freezing in majority of the places that we stayed at. So, ooh, yeah. And granted, it's cold in New York right now, so I'm ready. Not cold in New York, warm in New York, so I'm ready to go home. But I've been having fun. I've met some amazing people. We'll definitely come back, just not in the winter. And everybody I've met, like I said, have been amazing. Look out for us. Great experience.
Welcome all of you guys, welcome on board, let's go home guys.
You know, to come out from the country, go home.
My last word for you, please welcome on board. Enjoy your flight.
Lively. I wish I had that energy right now.
You guys, I don't see them.
Oh no.
Welcome guys. Thank you so much for arriving guys. Please enjoy your flight. Arrive safely guys, welcome on board. Welcome guys, all of you. Thank you so much. Enjoy your flight. Arrive safely guys. I welcome you, all of you guys. Thank you so much. And I salute you again. Let's go home. There's no time to turn back. We are not.
No time to turn back.
Thank you so much. Welcome guys, welcome. Thank you so much. Enjoy your flight.
This is how you board a flight.
We really appreciate it.
I love
Please
it.
come back again if you don't mind. I really appreciate it, guys. Welcome, guys. I welcome you on board, all of you guys. Please enjoy your flight. Arrive safely, Mama. Please enjoy. I welcome you guys, all of you. Please enjoy your flight. Arrive safely, guys. And I thank you so much. I thank you so much. And we really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for arriving. I welcome you, all of you on board, guys. Please enjoy your flight. Arrive safely, guys. Let's go home. No time to 10 days. We are now departing. We are now leaving, guys. Let's go, guys.
Thank you.